Looking for a way to manage your projects without spending a fortune? In today's video, we will be comparing the top 3 free project tracking tools. Let's jump right in. First up is Trello, a visual project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to help you organize tasks. With its simple drag and drop interface, Trello is perfect for small teams or individuals managing multiple projects. You can add due dates, checklists, attachments, and even integrate with third-party apps like Google Drive and Slack, all within the free plan. Next is Airtable, which combines a spreadsheet simplicity with the power of a database. Airtable's free plan includes features like customizable grids, Kanban boards, and calendar views, making it versatile for different project types. The dashboard allows for collaboration, data sorting, and filtering, and it integrates with popular tools like Slack, Twilio, Outlook, and more. Last but not least, we have Monday.com, which offers a free trial for up to 2 users. Known for its flexible workflows and project dashboards, Monday.com allows you to visualize progress through timelines, boards, charts, and more. While the free trial gives you access to many features, you'll need to upgrade after the trial period to unlock more users and advanced functionalities. So which tool is the best fit for your needs? Trello is ideal for visual task management, giving you a clear overview with its easy-to-use boards. Airtable shines when you need a more flexible database-like approach to track detailed project information. And Monday.com stands out with its customizable workflows, offering powerful analytics to help you monitor progress and performance. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.